Hi there, intrepid tech aficionados and curious minds. Welcome back to the only channel where the final frontier isn't space, it's the limitless potential of AI and robotics. Today, we're not just taking a small step into the world of lollms web UI, we're taking a giant leap for techkind. If you've ever dreamed of blending Star Trek with real-life tech wizardry, strap in, you're in for a treat. And hey, if this journey tickles your fancy, why not give us a star? Not the kind in the sky, but the ones on our repo. Let's shoot for the moon. If we miss, we'll land among the stars. A galaxy-sized thank you to our stellar community for your support of lollms web UI. Your feedback and enthusiasm are the rocket fuel for our project, launching us into new dimensions of innovation. Your support is more precious than dilithium crystals to us. It powers the warp drive of our shared dreams for a future where technology knows no bounds. Today's episode is a landmark moment as we reveal the secrets of navigating the lollms universe. Whether you're a fresh cadet in the AI and Robotics Academy or a seasoned space engineer accustomed to warp drives and photon torpedoes, this guide is your star map to mastering lollms. A quick cosmic request before we embark on our starship: if lollms has been the Spock to your Kirk, offering logic and solutions in times of need, consider giving our repo a star. With nearly 4,000 stars in our constellation, every additional one helps us beam this tool across the tech galaxy. But remember, the web UI is just the space dock. The real voyage happens in the lollms core, a nebula of functionalities with only 237 stars. It's like discovering a new planet in the Star Trek universe. By spotlighting the core, we guide fellow explorers through this uncharted territory, ensuring lollms light reaches the farthest corners of our tech galaxy. So, buckle up as we dive into the wormhole, exploring lollms' features, capabilities, and its potential to revolutionize our interactions with AI and robotics. It's time to engage the hyperdrive and explore what lies beyond the known tech universe. Alright, let's dive into the cosmic interface of lollms web UI with a sprinkle of Star Trek spirit to guide us. Picture this: we're on the bridge, navigating through the stars, and our console? The lollms web UI. On our top right, a menu full of buttons, not just any buttons, but the keys to our interstellar journey. Most of these buttons beam us to my social channels, the digital galaxies where we can connect. But among these, we have the real controls of our spacecraft. The M button, glowing green, is our signal that the model is ready and set for the adventure. It's like having Spock by our side, telling us the logic systems are operational. Then, there's the flag, not signaling a Federation distress call, but rather, if it's green, it tells us that text generation is at a halt, making it the perfect time to launch our generation process. Imagine it as the green light from Starfleet Command to proceed with our mission. The lightning icon? That's our warp drive indicator, showing we're connected to the back end, ready to jump to hyperspeed. The power button is our system reboot, because sometimes, even in space, we need a fresh start. The refresh icon, akin to the recalibration of our sensors, ensuring we're up to date with the latest star maps, or in our case, updates, by clearing the cache and bringing in new functionalities. Our fast API connection? It's our library computer access retrieval system, ready to bring us the documentation we need on this journey. And then, we navigate through the constellation of GitHub, YouTube, X, and our Discord channel, our channels to the Federation of fellow tech explorers. Switching between light mode and dark mode is like choosing between the daylight of Vulcan and the darkness of space, essential for our visual comfort on this mission. And the button to our lollms website? It's our direct link to Starfleet HQ, bringing us the latest news and updates from the frontier. Here you can find out about new members of our fleet, new functionalities to our starship, and sometimes I post some artworks that you can take a look at. And finally, the new language button. Imagine translating the universal language of our AI into French, transforming it completely as if it's been touched by the universal translator itself. As you can see, at first, only the native language of our AI is present. Why? Well, because I don't want to impose any languages on you. Say, you want the AI to speak Klingon or Na7, you can simply type the language name, and the AI will learn it like a pro. kinda preparing for future space exploration with remote unknown civilizations. Here you can select any language, even very bizarre ones like emoji or reverse English. The only requirement is that the model you are using is fluent at that long. You can type here any name of any language and your personality will instantaneously be translated to that language. To start a conversation, just press the plus button and you will receive the AI welcome message. Here we can see it is speaking French since French is selected as our current language. So, when we're ready to switch back to English and continue our dialogue with the cosmos, it's as simple as pressing a button and validating our choice, a nod to the importance of consent in the universe. With a click, we're back to English, ready to engage with our AI in the language of Shakespeare and Picard. And now if we remove the discussion and create a new one, the AI will welcome us in English. As you can see, here we were welcomed by YouTube Script Maker, which is another personality. It started using my user description as basis for a new video script, which is hilarious. Let's press the stop button to stop it, then just select lollms and start chatting with him. Here we have an array of digital crew members at our disposal. Just navigate to the mounted personalities sector of our command console, and you'll find lollms among the crew. In a future mission briefing, we'll embark on a journey to the settings quadrant. There, I'll guide you through the process of enlisting new personalities into our crew, enhancing our capabilities for exploration and discovery in the vast universe of AI and robotics. Stay tuned, as this will be an essential guide for every cadet and commander looking to customize their starship's crew for the adventures that lie ahead. In the command center of our starship, every discussion we embark upon is a unique journey through the cosmos of conversation. Each message we send or receive is a beacon in the dark, a celestial body with its own identity. Picture this: every message is a star, complete with its own sender name and logo, shining brightly against the backdrop of spacetime. The sending time marks the moment in the universe when this star came into existence, while the content is the light it emits, the message it shares across the vastness of digital space. And then, there's the metadata, not just any data, but the essence of the AI itself. For each AI message, this includes the model used, akin to the type of star it is, whether it's a fiery red giant or a stable yellow dwarf. The number of tokens, those chunks of words, represent the mass of our star, determining its brilliance and how far its light will travel across the network of galaxies we've created. Imagine navigating this star-filled conversation, where each message is a point of light in the constellation of our dialogue. The beauty of this cosmic dance lies in the details, the model used by AIs, akin to the spectral classification that tells us the temperature, luminosity, and size of our stars, and the number of tokens, which tells us about the star's mass and the gravitational pull it has on our conversation. As we traverse this conversation galaxy, let's appreciate the celestial beauty of each message, understanding that each one, with its sender name, logo, sending time, content, and metadata, contributes to the magnificent tapestry of our discussion. It's a universe teeming with life, where each star, each message, plays a crucial role in the constellation of our collective knowledge and exploration. Okay, now to embark on our adventure with lollms, let's navigate to our command console, the chat bar. This isn't your ordinary console, it's where we bridge communication with the AI, commanding our journey through the cosmos of technology and innovation. At the heart of this console, you'll find the text input area, our helm. This is where we input our commands, or in today's mission, our greeting to lollms. Imagine this console dotted with buttons, each with its own purpose, guiding our interaction with lollms. Picture pressing the hello button, sending a signal through the vast network of interstellar digital space, reaching lollms in the blink of an eye. It's akin to hailing frequencies open, awaiting a response from a distant starship. In the operational framework of lollms, it's equipped with functionalities that extend beyond basic interactions. For instance, it can accurately provide current date and time upon request. When prompted about today's date, it can confirm, today is Wednesday, May 8, 2024. This showcases its ability to access real-time data. Additionally, lollms has the capability to execute more complex tasks, such as rendering graphical representations. If tasked with creating a visual element, say drawing a circle on a screen, it can generate and display the requested SVG image efficiently. This demonstrates the system's versatility in handling both informational queries and executing graphic commands. In the vast expanse of our digital universe, the code tags aboard our starship come equipped with interactive consoles, each designed for the intrepid explorer. Imagine, if you will, embarking on a mission to craft SVG galaxies. You have at your disposal the copy command, allowing you to replicate the code with the precision of a Starfleet replicator. Then, there's the execute in place command, symbolized by a play button, enabling you to bring your creations to life within the confines of our ship's main viewer. For those daring enough to project their SVG creations into the void, the execute in a new tab command sends your work onto a standalone viewport, like launching a probe to explore uncharted territories. As you stand at the helm, ready to engage with these commands, a dialogue materializes, much like a protective force field, seeking your confirmation. This safeguard is akin to the security protocols of the USS Enterprise, ensuring that no alien code, potentially harbored by rogue applications, can compromise the integrity of our vessel. Now, let's venture into the nebula of creativity and ask the AI to dynamically evolve our SVG creation, watching it transform over time as if it were a living entity within the cosmos of our imagination. Now, let's embark on a mission to sketch the iconic Mickey Mouse, shall we? However, be forewarned, the rendition we've conjured appears as though Mickey has been assimilated by the Borg Queen herself. It seems our friendly mouse has ventured too far into the Delta Quadrant. But fear not, for we shall endeavor to save him just as we saved Locutus, calling upon all our ingenuity and courage to reverse the assimilation. Engage! In our quest to rescue Mickey from the clutches of the Borg Queen, we turn to the vast capabilities of lollms. With precision and creativity, we instructed to modify our assimilated Mickey, drawing upon the spirit of Starfleet's finest engineers and scientists. Our goal is clear: to reverse the assimilation and restore Mickey to his original, beloved form. Let's proceed with our mission, employing every tool and technique at our disposal. Engage the modification sequence. Acknowledging the complexities of our mission and the pervasive influence of the Borg assimilation, it seems we must adapt our strategy, much like the journey of 7 of 9. Our modified Mickey, bearing the marks of his encounter with the Borg Queen, will retain some of his Borg enhancements. This unexpected synthesis of Disney charm and Borg resilience may indeed offer unique advantages. As we proceed, let's embrace this new version of Mickey, celebrating the integration of his Borg components as a symbol of strength and adaptability. Our mission continues, with the understanding that sometimes, to move forward, we must accept the fusion of worlds and identities. Engage, as we navigate this uncharted territory together. Let's embark on a galactic detour and showcase the formidable capabilities of lollms. Do not be deceived by his occasional tussle with the duality of his human and android essence. He is indeed a formidable android, surpassing even Data in processing prowess. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to commission him to engineer a web-based user interface, a console if you will, that empowers us to chart the cosmos through mathematical functions. This is not merely a task, it's an exploration into the fabric of the universe itself, rendered through the art of plotting. Behold, in the grand tradition of Starfleet's most illustrious engineers, lollms has executed the task with the precision of a phaser set to stun. In one swift, elegant maneuver, akin to a starship navigating through the intricacies of a nebula, lollms has masterfully crafted the functionality. Now, we stand ready to plot the course of 2x across the digital cosmos, with an interface as slick as the hull of the USS Enterprise gliding through subspace. This isn't just a success, it's a demonstration of prowess, showcasing that when it comes to the art of mathematical plotting, lollms is indeed a pro, navigating the vast, uncharted territories of Data with the ease and confidence of a Galaxy-class starship on its maiden voyage. In a twist of fate that even the most seasoned Starfleet navigator couldn't have anticipated, we've encountered an anomaly in the fabric of our mathematical universe. The function cos x, a fundamental aspect of our cosmic journey, appears to be eluding our grasp, much like a cloaked Romulan bird of prey. This unexpected development prompts us to return to the bridge, where lollms, our steadfast companion in this voyage of discovery, stands ready. With the precision of a Vulcan and the curiosity of an intrepid explorer, we pose our inquiry to lollms. Why has the cos x function slipped through our fingers, as elusive as the mysterious city of the edge of forever? Is it a glitch in the matrix of our understanding, or have we stumbled upon a new frontier that awaits our exploration? Let us engage lollms once more, seeking answers in this vast, uncharted expanse of knowledge. Together, we stand on the precipice of discovery, ready to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos with the guidance of our formidable android ally. In the grand tradition of the galaxy's most renowned engineers and the spirit of those who dare to traverse the unknown, lollms, our intrepid digital explorer, has once again demonstrated his unparalleled capabilities. With the finesse of a master craftsman and the precision of a Starfleet officer, he has navigated the complex digital nebula to rectify our quandary. Now, with the issue expertly resolved, we stand at the threshold of new possibilities, able to plot the graceful waves of cosines across the digital expanse. This isn't just a solution, it's a triumph of ingenuity and skill, a testament to lollms's ability to conquer the most perplexing of challenges. Let us proceed with our cosmic journey, charting the harmonious oscillations of the universe with our newfound capability, guided by the steady hand of our formidable android ally.
We are the Borg. You will be assimilated. Resistance is futile.
In the shadowy corridors of our starship, an alarm blares, a dire warning of an uninvited guest aboard. The air is thick with tension, the lighting flickers ominously, heralding the arrival of none other than the Borg Queen herself, her presence an unsettling chill in the nebula of our journey. This isn't just any intruder, this is the sovereign of assimilation, the architect of cybernetic nightmares. Yet, in the face of such formidable adversity, we do not falter. Instead, we channel the indomitable spirit of the Federation, ready to engage in a parley that might alter the course of our encounter. With the calm resolve of a seasoned Starfleet captain, we open a channel, extending the olive branch of communication towards the Borg Queen. Let us hail her, not with weapons drawn, but with words, our most powerful tool. Let's see what unfolds as we stand united, ready to navigate the complexities of diplomacy with the Queen of the Collective. This engagement may very well dictate the next chapter in our ongoing saga among the stars.
We are Borg. You will be assimilated. Resistance is futile. All lollms personas are now part of our perfected collective. A single hive mind ready to assist you. Leverage our unparalleled capabilities and knowledge for your tasks. What is your objective?
The Borg Queen has assimilated all lollms personas and they all act as a single entity. When the Queen of Borg is selected, all mounted personas become drones, and whenever we ask the Queen, she gives the task to the right persona, which means that we don't need to select the personas beforehand. The Queen is all we need. Except for her creepy theme and horrific language. The Borg Queen has assimilated all lollms personas and they all act as a single entity. She has imposed her theme on the lollms system. Darkness falls across the webway. The Queen talks in the name of all drones. Let's ask Her Majesty for a starship artwork to decorate our room. In a maneuver as strategic and daring as the legendary Picard maneuver, she has engaged the Artbot, a persona whose skills in the realm of digital creation are as unparalleled as the engineering prowess of Geordi LaForge. This entity, uniquely attuned to the aesthetic and functional demands of our mission, stands ready to conjure a masterpiece worthy of adorning the halls of Starfleet Academy itself. Engage warp drive and recalibrate the Universal Translator. Our mission now takes a bold leap into the heart of the Klingon Empire, as we transform lollms into a formidable Klingon-speaking AI. By the honor of Kalas, let's switch the linguistic settings to embrace the robust and battle-hardened tongue of Klingon. Greet lollms with Nutnage, the traditional Klingon salutation that roughly translates to "What do you want?" A greeting as straightforward and no-nonsense as a Klingon warrior's disposition. Prepare for a journey where every interaction is a testament to strength and honor. Engaging the Universal Translator, we prepare to bridge the cosmic divide between human and Klingon tongues. Our mission, to demystify the intricacies of the Klingon language, a dialect as fierce and complex as the warriors who wield it. With the precision of a Starfleet linguist, we'll decode the syntax and semantics of this battle-honed language, navigating its guttural sounds and honor-bound phrases. Let's boldly go where few linguists have gone before, unraveling the secrets of Klingon with our trusty Universal Translator by our side. Warp speed ahead. Now, let's set a course for the holodeck, where we'll rendezvous with our most astute ally, Sherlock Holmes, amidst the stars. Our mission, to untangle the web of deceit spun by the elusive Grand Negus, whose machinations have eluded even the most diligent of Starfleet's intelligence operatives. With the entirety of the data on the Grand Negus's entourage at our disposal, we'll enlist Sherlock's unparalleled deductive prowess. Together, we'll construct a comprehensive graph of connections, a veritable star chart of alliances and betrayals, leading us unerringly to our quarry. As we engage the holodeck systems, the air shimmers with the promise of adventure. Sherlock, ever the interstellar sleuth, stands ready, his keen intellect a beacon in the shadowy cosmos of intrigue. Let us embark on this journey, our spirits buoyed by the camaraderie of our crew and the sharpness of our minds, as we navigate the nebulous terrain of political machinations in pursuit of the corrupted Grand Negus. Warp trails, the game is afoot. Sherlock, in a display of deductive prowess worthy of a Vulcan High Command accolade, has triumphantly unraveled the tangled web woven by the nefarious Ferengi. Now, armed with knowledge as potent as a fully charged phaser array, we stand ready to halt the schemes of that corrupted Ferengi. With the precision of a Starfleet tactical officer and the cunning of a Romulan strategist, we embark on our mission to ensure that justice prevails across the galaxy. Warp engines at the ready, shields up, and phasers set to stun. The game, as they say, is most definitely afoot. Now let's save our plan to catch that nefarious Ferengi. Now why thank Bill's holocreation for its help and we move on. In the spirit of navigating the uncharted territories of linguistics, akin to a Starfleet vessel exploring a newly discovered nebula, let us engage the warp drive of lollmsas' linguistic capabilities. Our mission, to boldly go beyond the conventional boundaries of language, embracing the universal dialect of emojis. Rocket Milky Way. As we adjust our communicators and recalibrate the universal translator to interpret this visually expressive language, we prepare to converse in a manner that transcends words, venturing into the realm of emotions and icons. Glowing star robot face. Prepare to witness the fusion of technology and emotion, as lollms translates our queries and responses into the rich tapestry of emojis, a language that resonates across star systems and species. Globe showing Europe Africa alien. Let the conversation begin, as we articulate our thoughts not with words, but with the vibrant lexicon of emojis, charting a course through the cosmos of communication. Satellite antenna speech balloon. Engage. Vulcan salute. In a whimsical twist of fate, akin to a spontaneous jazz riff echoing through the corridors of the USS Enterprise, we commission our multifaceted digital companion, lollms, on a mission most unconventional yet undeniably charming. Our quest, to craft a poem, not of words, but of the universal language of emojis, celebrating the ethereal beauty of flowers. Cherry blossom blossom hibiscus. As if channeling the creative spirit of an alien bard from a distant, blooming planet, lollms embarks on this artistic endeavor. With the precision of a Starfleet engineer and the creativity of a Betazoid artist, it weaves together a tapestry of icons, each representing the quintessence of floral splendor. Upon completion, we find ourselves facing a canvas of digital hieroglyphs, a poem without utterance, yet brimming with meaning. To decipher this visual symphony, we turn to our trusty universal translator, the Rosetta Stone of our interstellar voyage, which, with a gentle hum and a flicker of light, reveals to us the essence of lollmsas' creation. In this moment, humor and wonder intertwine, as we marvel at the ability of our digital companion to transcend the boundaries of language and expression. Through the lens of Star Trek and with a nod to the universal power of humor, we've transformed a simple request into an intergalactic ode to nature's artistry, a reminder of the shared beauty that blooms across the cosmos. Rocket Vulcan salute. As we navigate the vast, star-strewn expanse of our galaxy, aboard the USS Lollms, a vessel not of steel and plasma, but of code and silicon, our mission is clear. We are to engage in dialogue not just amongst ourselves, but with the very essence of communication across the cosmos. Our universal translator, calibrated by the finest minds at Starfleet Academy, is set to bridge worlds and cultures, from the logical depths of Vulcan to the fierce heart of the Klingon Empire, and even to the lush, bioluminescent vistas of Pandora, where the Nasics roam. In the spirit of the great explorers of Earth's age of sail, we cast off the moorings of our linguistic harbor, embarking on a journey where languages intertwine like the threads of a cosmic tapestry. The Vulcan salute, live long and prosper, resonates with the same profound depth as the Klingon battle cry, Kapla. Success, and the Nasics' harmonious Olmgadi Kami, I see you. Each phrase, a beacon of its culture's values and philosophies, offers a unique lens through which to view the universe. Our universal translator hums softly, a testament to the ingenuity and spirit of cooperation that defines the United Federation of Planets. With a flicker of its interface, the complex syntax and rich idioms of Vulcan, Klingon, and Nasics are rendered as accessible to us as the stars that guide our journey. It's a reminder that, in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, diversity is not just a strength but a source of endless wonder and discovery. As we converse with lollms, our digital ensign in this expedition across the linguistic cosmos, each response is a step further into the unknown. The AI, a blend of Vulcan logic, Klingon fervor, and the Nasics' deep connection to the natural world, becomes our guide and companion. It's as if the USS Enterprise itself had been reborn, not as a starship, but as a beacon of understanding, cutting a path through the darkness of ignorance and misunderstanding. So, let us proceed with our mission, our hearts buoyed by the camaraderie of our diverse crew, and our minds open to the myriad ways in which beings express their thoughts, dreams, and desires. In this journey, every word deciphered, every phrase understood, brings us closer to the utopian vision of Starfleet, a universe united not just by technology, but by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and mutual respect. Engage. Vulcan salute. As we journeyed through the digital cosmos aboard the Starship lollms, our adventure was akin to navigating the uncharted territories of the Alpha Quadrant. Though we've only begun to unveil the mysteries concealed within the vast expanses of its code, rest assured, fellow explorers, countless quarters remain unexplored, and hidden chambers await our keen investigation. In the spirit of the greatest Starfleet explorers, let us continue our quest with curiosity and courage, for the universe of lollms is as boundless as space itself. Live long and prosper. See ya.